afternoon. I'm out here today with Carl. We're in Avon Valley. It's a four-wheel drive track we haven't done for a while. So we'll come out here and scope it out in the bikes. It's really slippery. I've never been out here on the bike. Always wanted to. I've seen Gumby come out here on the bike. How's this bit over the pipeline? Oh, the pipe's actually all smashed. This is all slippery clay when it's winter and quite interesting to get up. In fact, those ruts look like they'd be interesting to get up now. I think Carl stored the bike. A little bit of mud. Don't get too excited. Can't remember if we've done this bit in the four drives. Oh yeah, no, we must have. I remember this bit. Okay, yeah, it's a bit tight, isn't it? Yeah. Shit. I am not set up to get around that corner. Pretty cool. Bit of bush bashing. Got that rock there, eh? Looks like there's tyre marks up it. Looks like there's tyre marks up that rock over there. Yeah. uphill. To the left, Carl. Oh, hang on, there's actually fucking car tyre tracks. Tyre tracks, that's the one. Oh, where did you go? Up the hill. Oh, okay. Yeah. I think we'll go that way. Oh, excuse me. There he goes, a man on a mission. Oh, look out for the tree car. I had no idea there was all these tracks along here. It's freaking cool. Imagine how nice this would be when it's all wet and green, and at least it's not a hot day. It's a beautiful day actually. Oh, it's actually not a rocky bottom at all here. This is where we crossed the Avon for the first time in my Eddie. And now I've done it on my bike. Oh, that's a cool little valley. saw that as well. So this looks like a cool little section. Probably not even any. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Where did that come from? So easy on the big wheels. Okay, it's not really a track, but it's.
Is it?
Oh, I'm gonna drag that stick out of the way so it doesn't stab you.
No, probably not.
It's a pretty good drop off there.
It's fine if you jump from here to there.
Oh right, yeah. Well, you go first.
We've got a sick track if we can get down.
Yeah, it's definitely the track. Oh, stop. Yeah, go on, sir, please, thank you. I can't touch the ground. Oh, I'm gonna have to stall it because that's. Ow! That was going into my dick. Yeah, I got my boot stuck. I couldn't get my fucking boot off the bike. Oops.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh. Got it?
Yeah, I just gave it the good old whiskey throttle when my boot got stuck.
Oh, do you want me to push forward? Alright, you know I'll move my bike. Yeah?
Yeah. Oops. Oh, thanks for coming along on this little adventure with me, guys. We're going to keep going. I'm going to do a little goodbye, see you later outro right now. So we're going to keep exploring this vast, dense bush. Yeah, I'll turn his camera off while we get his bike started. See you all in the next one. Ciao.